Oh, we'll get a new lock, and this time I'm advising everybody I'm bringing a security team up to secure this gate. They've come to arrest our guard posts. Now our guard called down and asked me to come up, and I came out. Now they came and arrested them because I wouldn't come outside the fence. This is after we've uncovered weapons with blood on them and still begging for a cadaver dog. Now your state trooper highway patrols and have come over and they've arrested 2 of our volunteers, a father and a son. These are VOP volunteers who've been taking care of homeless veterans for a very long time. So VOP family, William and Casey Noble, need to be bailed out immediately. And now, since they have come and arrested and they're trying to prevent us from getting the rest of these weapons out, please everybody, we are securing, we've been burying everything, moving it around. We're gonna move to the high ground position. Please get out here as soon as you can. And if you can't drive through, you walk through and occupy this land. Occupy this land with as many bodies and get. I want all long rifles. I want, thank you.
We're with you.
It's ridiculous. And yeah, they're moving in fast now. Hey, look, will you guys wake up? Because look, they just took in 2 of our family members. And I know last thing Bill and then they want me to do is to lose my cool and go completely off. He wants us to see this through. They stood there. They stood there. They didn't do nothing. They were letting people come in and out. So they just took the individuals with the gates to the keys and they just trapped everybody in here with vehicles because now they've arrested our guys that had the keys to the gate. And they weren't doing nothing. They were allowing everyone to come in. They were instructed that only Mark Napier was allowed to come down here. So Sheriff Mark Napier, you better take your ass down to county jail and you better get those 2 boys out immediately. And those that are in the county jail sheriff's departments, you better take care of those guys in case your boss is still too chicken shit to do his job. And you need to take care of them. Our family's coming to get them. All right? Every time we find something, the closer we get, they come out. I don't have time. I don't think we have a lot of time. We're going full force digging. We're digging at this hole and we're going to dig everything up we fucking can. They're trying to stop us. Not happening. What we're going to do is we're going to have to block that fence with a vehicle. They're not going to be able to swing it down. They're blocking access. They arrested Bill and Casey, yeah.
For what?
They said they were arresting them because they wouldn't open the gate for them. That they were trespassing. They were standing on a public frontage road. They weren't even on the property, but they arrested him because they were trespassing and they wouldn't open the gate for him. They came to enact a warrant for my arrest. We're gonna have to block ourselves in. Go ahead, I gotta think. I'm gonna try to save lives so you guys can see what's going on as much as possible. If you guys can get down there, can you guys please go get those 2 gentlemen? They didn't deserve that. And this is literally right after we just hit a hot spot and we're targeting the area they keep sneaking past us to get into. And we're sending evidence everywhere. Guess what? You guys aren't gonna be able to hide the shit. You're not gonna be able to say it wasn't real. Someone I have to talk to you about the other way out. Funny how they would want to lock everybody in and prevent anyone from moving in and out. We just arrested our 2 gate boys. All of our vehicles, I guess everybody's having to come back down. So, not interested in coming in. Haven't even asked to come in to get any of this evidence. They want us to stop doing what we're doing, not because of tainted evidence. They want us to leave because Cimex Corporation says we don't have permission to be out here. That's what they want us to leave, because we don't have permission to be out here. But the cartels has permission to be out here and to build in underground cells and to tie children and women to trees, and that's all right. All call. Look, guys, you can access this property. My vets come out. Veterans, war fighters, you look on the map, you're going to see there's hills all around. Get up on those hills and get a hold of us. get around the property and surround it. At the end of the day, there ain't nothing we'll be doing because they're not going to be able to pull me off the top of this tower. We're getting ready to go fly the American flag upside down. It's going to be in distress. That is a distress call. They have fired another shot at us, and now they have arrested 2 volunteers who are doing their best to secure, and they're letting everyone in but any law enforcement because of their tactics against us, and we want Sheriff Mark Napier to come down. So Sheriff Mark Napier is fully fine having a father and son arrested who aren't doing anything wrong, and they didn't come out to help or to hurt people. They came out to help. They saw what's going on. They're in our ministry. They know what's happening to these kids.
That 19-year-old kid that I was talking to back here?
Casey, yeah.
Because he was opening the gate?
No, they said he was trespassing. But they were parked on the parked on the right of way, on the frontage road. They were standing on the other side of the gate.
They're not even on this side of the property.
Yeah.
What are we live on?
But they're trespassing.
They came here earlier.
I believe we're live on the Alpha Company page.
Company.
That's shooting first, ask some questions later.
Get the drone up, look around. I want you to look around the frontage road. Obviously, if they're willing to come and start arresting them, they're really gonna come in here. We got kids here now. We thought it was safe to bring our kids out. All right. As of right now, just so you know, we don't know if they're going to arrest everybody who's out here digging and volunteering and helping us pull this up as they're going out or not. So Sheriff Mark Napier, I don't know what to do. My daughter's here, and one of our volunteers' son is here. And the only reason we brought him out because you guys pulled back, we found more evidence, and we felt it was safe to come out here. But the minute we put ourselves in a vulnerable situation and uncover something obviously you don't want to be shared, you know.
Where's the binoculars? Who has the binoculars?
Probably that guy.
Okay. How do I get out the back way? Does anybody know?
You think let's go out this way?
They took the keys.
They took the keys. We're locked in.
We're locked in.
Yes.
It seems illegal.
Well, look, we need to find a way to get the kids out. So, look, this is what I want you to do first. I want you to take the Jeep. I want you to take you armed. I want you 2 kids to get in that Jeep, and come here. No, Subaru's not going to make it where I want to take them. They're going to be safe here. It's soft, but it's going to be a place. I need them to go right now. We want to get the kids out.
I can get them out of here.
Yeah, take the 2 kids. Are you guys yet? Stop.
Right over by Dwight.
Then you go with them. All right? Do you know how to use a firearm? Because I like to send someone with a firearm.
Hold on. Who's going with that?
Him.
Okay. Hold on, everybody. We need, if they're going to occupy this, if you're going to go to the top. Out here, and we want a law. No, it needs to be marked up as a crime scene, and we want a law enforcement agency representative out here to begin the investigation.
We want Mark Napier. We've been begging for our sheriff, and now they're coming out to arrest us. Now we're locked in a
No,
fence.
if you're going to the top, we're going to have one person is going to represent and go talk to them.
Huh?
What do you want the drone?
I want you to get all this stuff. I want you to go over there and just pan along the highway.
Do you want me to take Solo to my house? We're just on 12th and Valencia.
Yeah.
Do you have a leash or something with it? Because he knows
Oh,
my
I don't-
dad.
There's a leash over there attached to
Okay.
the poles.
Who can I give my phone number?
Look, let's get the kids out first.
Okay.
So
I can take some with them. Can I give you my phone number?
you got all-wheel drive. I want you to follow the kids.
Okay,
follow
Ryan
the
just
kids.
texted me. Ryan just texted me. All the roads are blocked to come in here.
So they've got us blocked in. And